Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the D-Link wireless N300 ADSL2 Plus router. This particular router comes with 3 years of warranty, 5 dBi range and also 4000 volt lightning protection. This comes with easy setup wizard for step-by-step installation, advanced performance based on wireless N300 technology. You can stream music, transfer files, surf the web and play online games with this router easily. Also note that the model number is DSL 2750U. And over here some features are mentioned. So 802.11b by G by N wireless and Ethernet connectivity, Wi-Fi protected setup, comes with WPS basically, enhanced security with WPA2, includes advanced encryption standards, WAN/LAN switchable ports, advanced parental controls for domain blocking, dynamic DNS, anything else, IPv6 features as well. So this particular router supports Internet Protocol version 6. Some more information over here, and there's a comparison with some of the other ADSL models on this side as well. And over here you have a diagram of the router. This is what it looks like basically. So over here there's a diagram with all the different ports mentioned as well. This comes with a DSL port, 4 LAN ports, WPS button, power on off and power connector ports over here. And there's another smaller diagram on how to set up this particular router. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. So these are all the components of the box. Let's quickly take a look. This is a quick installation guide for this particular router. Everything that you want to know you will find over here. Okay, there you go. Next we have this is basically an RJ11 cable. This is for connecting to a phone line, which brings me to this particular device as well. This is a splitter. So basically the line goes in over here and comes out for modem and phone on these ends. And this is an Ethernet cable for this particular router, as you can see. And we also have a power adapter. This is the power adapter for this router that you need to connect it at all times. Now let's take a look at the router itself. So this is what it looks like. I'll remove this cover. There you go. It's a very small and compact router with piano black finish on top. Not just that, it comes with antennas over here. Let me just open this up. There you go. There are these 2 antennas. These are 5 dBi antennas, which means it comes with pretty good range in fact. This is very light, super lightweight and compact. And on this end you have all the different ports. There's a DSL port, then 4 LAN ports. This one functions as a WAN/LAN port. Then you have the wireless on-off button, the power on-off button, your 12 volt DC port, and also the WPS button right over here. Underneath you have 4 rubber stops to make sure that this particular device is stable when on the ground on a flat surface. And there are also these slots for when you want to mount it against a wall. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the D-Link wireless N300 ADSL2 Plus router. Model number is DSL 2750U. Thank you for watching.